And the final lap coming up. Johnson in first from Calvert Hall. Antzak in second, challenging. Looks like he's going to make a move here. Antzak is making a move to take first place. Johnson doesn't know he's coming. And here comes Antzak, 100 meters to go. The race is on. And Antzak and Johnson, wow, look at that, really recovering and coming down the home straightaway. Big finish here. Who's it going to be? I couldn't tell you. And they fall on top of each other.
Wow.
Great finish from Antzak. Great finish. And it was Owen Johnson the winner. Antzak, oh my goodness. Kevin, we're going to go to the board here and show you those times. 300ths of a second apart. Johnson from Calvert Hall wins. Antzak comes in second by a hair. And a really great finish from the two of them. Really were neck and neck for 100 meters there. Really entertaining to watch the end.